In this video, I will show you how to fix if your Monopoly Go invite friends button is not working. So let's jump straight into it. So normally to go ahead and invite friends on Monopoly Go, what you're going to want to do is open up the app on your device. So once you've gone ahead and done that and you're logged in, if you come down to the bottom right hand corner and press onto the friends button down here, and you're going to see the option to invite your friends. So that's this green button here. Go ahead and press onto that. And what you can do is invite your friends using the orange invite button. So you can go ahead and share the link with your friends. Alternatively, you can send an invite via Facebook by pressing the Facebook button. Now, if this is not working for you for any reason, or the invite button just isn't appearing, the first thing I would recommend doing is coming out of Monopoly Go, closing it down and restarting the app on your device. Now, if you've tried that, the next thing I would recommend trying, if it's still not showing, is opening up the Play Store or of course the iTunes Store if you're using an iPhone. And what you want to do is go ahead and search for Monopoly Go on the Play Store. Once you've gone ahead and found Monopoly Go, press onto it to see if there's any updates available, because having an out-of-date version of Monopoly Go can of course cause this issue to occur. So if you do have the most up-to-date version of Monopoly Go, it's just going to say play. If you don't, this play button will actually say update. So what you're going to want to do is try updating the app and then try to launch Monopoly Go again to see if that fixes this problem. The final fix I would recommend doing if it's still not working for you is to come into your phone settings, and what you want to do is basically click onto the search icon and type apps. So now go ahead and open up your apps list, and what you want to do on your apps list is go ahead and look for Monopoly Go. So when it's loaded through, you're just going to scroll through until you get to Monopoly Go. So I'm just going to do this now. And once you've located Monopoly Go on your device, which is just down here, you want to press onto it to load up the app information page. And then just scroll down a bit until you get to the storage section. So go ahead and press onto storage, and what you want to do is press onto the clear cache button in the bottom right hand corner. Once that's done, make sure you've come out of Monopoly Go, so fully exited out of the app, and when you next relaunch Monopoly Go, this should fix the issue and enable you to invite friends on Monopoly Go. So that's how to go ahead and fix if Monopoly Go invite friends button is not working. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.